Welcome to this AgDrive video tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at job scheduling in AgDrive. To start with, we're going to look at how we schedule a job on the computer dashboard. So we're going to go to the jobs page on the left hand side, click on jobs, and then from there it will then bring up all of our completed jobs from here, and we can either press download, which will download all of our completed jobs as an Excel spreadsheet, or we can press add, which is to add a new job. So press add. From here we can then select our customer. We can then also select a scheduled date and time. We can select our operation. Using the search bar to easily identify which operation we want. We can then write in any job instructions as well for the operator. As well, we could also click on the photo icon to then upload an image to that job instruction, as well as can actually add in any operators on that particular job. And from here we could also select his vehicle as well. And if it was a team job, we could add multiple operators. If you'd like to learn more about the team jobs functionality, please see our team jobs video. We can also select particular fields from here, either from the map view or by a list. So we're just going to zoom in and select our fields like so. So we selected BH5 and BH9. Because we've selected a square baling job as an operation, it's automatically loaded up our extra information boxes that we would like the operator to fill out. So because we're on a square baling job, I want to ask the operator, what's the average weight in kilograms, what's the average moisture as a percentage. And then as well, we can also add in any extra information boxes that we want to ask the operator if we wish as well on that particular job. We've then also got products already preloaded on this job. So I want to ask the operator how much fuel is used. Again, you can actually add these products in, and you can do this from your products list that you've already got set up in AgDrive. As well, if you've got operators that do not know where they are going, you can press add location, and you can either select from a farm address, or we can actually drop a pin for that particular operator. And select it like so. And we can also write in any instructions for this particular location as well. And add it in like so. And you can also add in multiple locations. So let's say, particularly for straw merchants who might be picking up straw from one site and then taking it to another, this is quite handy for having multiple locations on that particular job. But if we are happy with this job, we scroll up to the top, we can then just press create. And that will then send a push notification to that operator to say that job has been scheduled to him. And if we go back to the jobs page, we can then see that this job is now ready to start for Joe Blogs. To schedule a job on the mobile, simply use our plus icon down below as our quick shortcut button, and then press schedule a job. From here again, like the computer, you can just select your customer, as well as you can also select your operation. You can then add in any instructions or any photographs as well on this particular job. You can also put in a scheduled date and time. Again, do not worry about this, as this is just how it appears on the actual scheduled job list. We can also add in any operators, or you can add in multiple operations in case it's a team job. Please do check out our team jobs video to see how we record a team job. From here, then if we know the vehicle or implement that operator is going to be driving, you can also add the vehicle as well as the implement onto that job. Because I've selected a combination drilling job as an operation, our combination drills come to the top of the list to make it easier for you to actually click on. And again, we can also add in a field as well. And then we can add in the customer fields like so by just zooming out. Press confirm. We can then delete any fields if we wish by pressing the plus icon there or going back onto the fields tab. And as well, because we've selected combination drilling, it's automatically put in our extra information that we want the operator to fill in. So whether it be a combination drilling job, I want to ask the operator, what crop they've drilled, what's the variety, what's the seed rate, how much seed have they used, etc. As well, we've also got fuel use in there as a product. Again, we can also add in products if we wish as well onto that products list as well. And again, like the computer, we can then add in any job locations on here to direct guys to the field or to the gateway or to the yard. We can either do this by a farm address, or we can actually drop a pin on a map and say, this is the corner of the gateway. And then we can also write in any instructions on here for that pin job. And that's a dropped pin in AgDrive. We can then add multiple pins like I was saying earlier. But if we're happy with this job, we can just simply press save. And that's the job scheduled now to the operator. The operator would then also get a push notification to say that job has been scheduled to them. And then from here, they can just open up the job and start recording the job from there. But we're going to stop the video here, as I'm going to show you in the job recording video how you actually record a job. If you have any questions or queries about job scheduling on AgDrive, I'll leave our contact details below. Thank you very much for watching.